Welcome all. Here I go with quick modify tool, that is move, rotate and copy. I'll go to DraftSight here. I'll specify the entity which I want to move first. I'll go here, I'll select quick modify and I'll select this. Specify entity, done. Specify the base point. I'll select the origin point tip as my base. Then right click and select to move. I just want to move this entire block from here to here. Once you move it, you can again right click and you can select rotate, type the value, angle, it's 270, enter, and again right click and select copy to create the extra copy. It's 400, tab 0, enter, again 800, tab 0, enter, 1200, tab 0, enter. So like that you can create multiple copies in one shot by using quick modify tool. Thank you.